Welcome to the video on how to stop router lag. We will cover the 30-second fix every student, teacher, and professional needs to optimize their home network for maximum reliability and speed. Routers slow down over time due to accumulated data debris, which is a physical limitation of small-scale hardware. The main causes include memory leaks, IP conflicts from multiple devices, and heat buildup that throttles high-performance chips. The 30-second fix is a simple hardware reset. This action alone solves up to 90% of connectivity issues by clearing temporary data. The step-by-step power cycle involves 4 steps. First, unplug the power cord. Then, wait exactly 30 seconds for capacitors to fully discharge, clearing RAM. Next, plug it back in and wait 3 to 5 minutes for the handshake. The result is a fresh start with optimized channel selection. When comparing 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands, 2.4 GHz offers greater range but lower speed. 5 GHz provides higher speeds but reduced range. Use 2.4 GHz if you are far from the router, and 5 GHz for activities like gaming or Zoom. Location is everything for optimal Wi-Fi. Elevate your router off the floor, centralize it to minimize distance to all rooms, and avoid obstacles like fish tanks or mirrors that block signals. Combat electromagnetic interference, or EMI, which is the primary enemy of data transmission. Always use Cat6 or Cat6, a shielded cabling, and keep data lines at least 12 inches away from high-voltage conduits to prevent signal degradation. Network congestion causes speeds to drop during peak hours, often around 6 p.m., as neighboring routers compete for airwaves. The 30-second fix forces your router to scan for a cleaner channel, mitigating congestion. Analyzing total data consumption shows that 70% is used for streaming and gaming, 20% for background updates, and 10% is lost to signal loss and latency. For weekly maintenance, check for firmware updates monthly to patch security holes. Perform a heat check by ensuring airflow to prevent thermal throttling. Finally, use WPA3 encryption and a strong password for security. Technology is at its best when it disappears. Reliable Wi-Fi is the foundation of modern learning and productivity, serving as a critical digital infrastructure principle.